Hello world, it's Tom. I was born and raised in Osaka, Japan, and I live here in Tokyo now. And today, it's a cooking time. So I wanna ask you, when you were a child, did you like carrots? Like, I think many Japanese children don't like carrots just because it tastes, too veggie. I don't know, it's weirdly sweet, isn't it? But believe it or not, even if your child hates carrots, they can eat Ninjin Shirishiri. It's a local cuisine in Okinawa, it's popular and I like it. So I'm gonna cook and show you guys today. So, let's do it. Iただきます。うまい。これや。Ninjin Shirishiri. It's pretty easy to cook and tasty, so you should try that. And also, this goes very well with beer, shochu, and almond. Oh yeah. It makes me want to go to Okinawa though. Once things settle down, I go to Okinawa and show you guys there definitely. Look at this. This is souvenir from Okinawa. My best friend gave it to me when I was 20. He's so funny and I love him. It's a common saying, but it's kind of version of Okinawa though. It says, 笑う角には福来たる. If you smile, good things will happen to you. That's true though. It's great. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and if you like my video, please thumbs up. If you want to watch my next video, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next weekend. 笑う角には福招きシーサー。幸せメンソーレ。メンソーレ。メンソーレってどういう意味や？いやささ